Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your Airtable to N8N. So first, you will have to log into your Airtable account and go to your workspace. Then, you will have to click your profile photo and choose Developer Hub. Copy your API token. And then, you will have to go to your N8N dashboard and go ahead and go to your personal section and then click credentials. And once you're here, you will add your first credential if you don't have one yet and search for Irritable API, and go ahead and click that and click continue. And once you're here, you will have to paste your token and name the connection. Now, in a workflow, you will have to go ahead and add an Irritable node, which you can find here. Click Irritable, and then once you're here, you will choose your credentials, then select your base and table, and then you will choose your operation: create, update, read, or delete records. Then you will click execute node to test the connection. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.